In this video, we'll see the difference between a fuse and a circuit breaker, when and why they are used in electrical installation. So, fuse and the circuit breakers are both protective devices used in the electrical installation to prevent damage to electrical circuits and equipments caused by the overcurrent conditions such as the short circuit and the overloads. While they serve a similar purpose, there are several differences between in, them in terms of operation characteristics and the applications. So first we'll discuss about the operation of the circuit, operation of the fuse. So these are the fuse. So a fuse is a passive protective device that contains a thin wire or the strip of the metal that melt when exposed to excessive current flow. When the current exceeds the rated value of the fuse, the wire inside the fuse heats up due to the Joule heating effect until it melts, thereby interrupting the circuit and preventing the further current flow. So, what are the characteristics of the fuse? This is the HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity fuse. Fuses are typically one-time use device and need to be replaced after they have operated. They have relatively simple construction and operate based on the principle of thermal protection. Fuses are available in the various type, including the fast-acting, slow-blow, current-limiting fuses, each designed for the specific application and the current ratings. So, what are the application of the fuse? Fuses are commonly used in residential, commercial, and industrial electrical installation to protect the circuit equipment and the appliances from the overcurrent condition. They are suitable for the applications where a single use low cost protective device is sufficient, such as uh, the lightning um, lightning circuits, motor motor circuits, and household appliances. Next, we'll see the circuit breakers. So this is the diagram of the one, two, and third one is the diagram of the circuit breaker. So what is the operation of the circuit breaker? A circuit breaker is an active protective device that uses a mechanical mechanism or the electronic circuitry to interrupt the current flow in an electrical circuit when an overcurrent condition is detected. Circuit breakers can be manually operated, manual reset, or automatically operated based on the present current threshold or the other parameters. So what are the characteristics of the circuit breaker? Circuit breaker are reusable device that can be reset and reused multiple times after they have tripped. They offer more flexibility and the control compared to fuse, as they can be manually operated and can also include the features such as the adjustable trip setting, remote control, and the indication of the fault condition. Circuit breakers are available in various types, including the thermal magnetic only, and electronic tape circuit breakers, each offering different characteristics and the capabilities. So, what are the applications of the circuit breaker? So, circuit breakers are used in the wide range of applications from residential and the commercial buildings to industrial facilities and the power distribution system. They are particularly suitable for the applications where frequent resetting or the manual operation is required, such as motor circuit, HVAC system, and distribution panels. And when and the next question is when and why they are used in the electrical installation. So first we'll discuss about the fuses. Fuses are typically used in applications where a simple cost-effective protective device is sufficient and frequent resetting or the manual operation is not required. The fuses are commonly employed in the low voltage circuit, uh, branch circuits, and the appliances to provide the reliable overcurrent protection. Whereas the circuit breaker are preferred in applications where flexibility, control, and ease of maintenance are important factors. They are widely used in the residential, commercial, and industrial installations to protect circuits, equipment, and personnel from the overcurrent conditions, while offering the convenience of the manual or the automatic resetting. So if you're comparing the between the fuse and the circuit breaker, the operation, if you take the operation for the fuses rely on the thermal protection and real-time operation, while the circuit breakers use the mechanical or the electronic mechanisms for the repetitive operation. What are the characteristics? Fuses are simple and less flexible compared to circuit breaker, which offer adjustable settings and the additional features. Applications comparison. Fuses are suitable for the basic protection in the low voltage circuit and the appliances, while the circuit breakers are used in a wide range of the applications requiring the flexibility, control, and the ease of the maintenance. So in the conclusion or in the summary, both fuse and the circuit breakers are play crucial role in the electrical installation by providing the overcurrent protection, but they differ in terms of the operation, characteristics, and the applications. They the choice between them depends on the factors such as cost, complexity, flexibility, and specific requirement of the installation. So this is the difference between the fuse and the circuit breaker. So first we'll see the operation. So already we have discussed. So operation relies on the thermal protection and one-time operation. So this is the circuit breaker relies on the mechanical or electronic mechanism for the repetitive operation. So it is on the thermal and this on the mechanical. Resetting one time must be replaced after the operation. Resettable and reusable. It can manually or automatically reset. Flexibility, limited flexibility. It has a limited flexibility and control, but offers adjustable setting, trip curves, and the additional features. Cost, generally lower cost, higher initial but reusable. Maintenance, simple replacement is required after the operation. It can reset multiple times, reducing the downtime and the maintenance cost. Response time, generally faster response time. Variable response time depends upon the type and the characteristics. Similarly, we have the installation, durability, sensitivity, size, interruption capability, coordination, trip indication, trip mechanism, environmental impact, and the application range. So these all are the difference for the fuses and the circuit breakers.